How to change your TikTok settings. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can change your TikTok settings. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So there is a specific setting on TikTok that you might want to change. Maybe it's the privacy setting, maybe it's your account settings, the profile settings, or whatever else that you think is the issue. We can go ahead and review each of those settings manually. So first of all, let me just go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Then we just want to come to the profile tab from the bottom right hand side of the screen, and once we come to the profile tab over here, you'll see all this sorts of information. Then on the top right hand side, just tap on the three lines icon, and then from the bottom go to settings and privacy. And once you're on settings and privacy, you can customize what settings that you would like to change. If you want to change the account settings, go to account over here. If you'd like to change the privacy settings, go to privacy and then turn on private account activity status, interactions, and everything else that you want to review in this. After that, if you want to change the password, anything, then you can go to security. If you want to check your TikTok balance, then here you have balance, and you have that option called share profile if you'd like to share your profile as well. There is the content and display settings. For example, you have notifications, you have live comments and watch history, you have content preferences as to what kind of content you actually prefer, and then you also have the option called language. If you don't understand the language in the app, you can change your screen time, your family pairing, your accessibility settings, and your free up space settings. If you think that TikTok is occupying too much space, then you have data saver, you have wallpaper, which means that you can actually use TikTok videos as wallpaper, and then you have report a problem. If you find any problem on TikTok app, you can report a problem to them. Similarly, if you scroll down, you have the switch account tab if you'd like to switch your account, and you can also log out and log into another account. So these are simply some of the settings that you have to go through manually on your TikTok profile in order to go ahead and review and change them. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.